We often imagine space as completely silent, but in reality, the universe has its own voice. Using data from NASA, electromagnetic waves from planets, stars, and even black holes are transformed into sound. Jupiter rumbles with deep vibrations. Black holes create eerie, haunting echoes. And distant galaxies sing a cosmic symphony unlike anything we've ever heard on Earth. This is the true sound of space. Mysterious, powerful, and unforgettable. Do you think the universe sounds beautiful or terrifying? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.